Pasta and vegan meatballs and mushroom gravy. So good and super healthy. Made with the best vegan meat I've tasted. And you can customize it. It's made in Italy by Altro Food, linked below, and now available here. Use the burger or sausage mix to make these. Make the mix with water and oil. Then mix in your flavors. I used parsley, onion and garlic powders, oregano, and finely chopped onion. Form your meatballs. Freeze for 30 minutes and air fry at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. For the gravy, first saute the mushrooms with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. Cover to sweat them and then uncover to crisp them. Repeat that until they're nicely toasted and remove them from the pan. In the same pan, cook the onions and garlic with another bit of oil until they're translucent. Add the mushrooms back in to heat up and then add half a cup of red wine. As you cook off the alcohol, deep glaze the bottom, rubbing with a spatula to get all those great flavors up. Add 1.5 teaspoons of thyme. Oops, I didn't film it. Add your veggie stock and cover to heat. When it's at a strong simmer, add the meatballs. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cook uncovered for 5 minutes at a medium simmer to reduce the sauce. Now try it and add black pepper and salt to taste. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of vegan boursin. It's at Trader Joe's and it's amazing. Or vegan sour cream if you don't have the boursin. As it melts into your sauce, prepare a thin slurry of arrowroot powder and water, or you can also use corn starch. Then drizzle in to thicken your gravy. I always do it by eye and usually have to add a little more like I did this time. Perfect. Ready to pour and mix with your pasta. I use the casarecce shape, but penne or fusilli are great also. Okay. Now serve and eat. It's so good. Buon appetito.
Yum.